I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm super excited to share a glam French Provincial living room makeover. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is the second living room in my home, and it is a very big focal point when you enter my home. It's the first thing you see on the left hand side. Now guys, I haven't shared it very much on YouTube because for 7 years I really just haven't felt like I got it right. Now, as pretty as this look looks, I took everything down and I really wanted to make a beautiful feature wall. Now, with the help of my amazing hubby, we removed the television and we had a little chuckle. We didn't even realise, guys, that 7 years ago when my husband repainted this whole house, we forgot to paint where the television was. So when we took the TV off, we were like, oh my goodness, we forgot to paint there. But it's all good because it's going to get a fresh coat of paint today. So we decided that we wanted to make a board and batten wall in this living room, and we're going to use just MDF sheets. Now what hubby's doing here is drawing up a rough outlook of the room and dividing it up so we can cut to size the exact boards at Bunnings. That's the beauty about Bunnings, guys, is they'll cut everything to size for you. So we ended up picking out 2 of these $29 sheets, and then we took them to have them cut.
I let you down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own.
So we got each board cut to 100mm wide.
Like giving you the things you asked me for, and I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song, tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene?
So then we headed home. Now hubby's here putting it up on the wall just to see how things are looking before we go in and use some liquid nails on the back, as well as using my husband's nail gun.
I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry.
Now, handy tip, guys, when doing board and batten on a wall, always put the first board in the very centre. That way you can work out how far apart you want to put each board. We ended up doing a 450mm wide between each one.
I said I'm sorry. What if I make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? All I ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things
Now guys, there's many a video on board and batten walls that once my hubby and I got to this point, I realised that I didn't want to be anything but this. So I decided to just leave the boards the way they were. Some people end up putting boards going across, but I decided here that I'd rather it look like this. Because I was going for a very French provincial glam look, I wanted it to look less farmhouse. So now was the fun part, guys, of painting. My hubby was very tired by this stage, so I got the fun job of painting this wall. Now, I will say I am not the best painter, but I gave it my all, and hubby come back the next day and give it a top coat. So we went in first of all with Dulux undercoat. We give 2 coats there, and then we went in with 2 coats of semi-gloss in Vivid White by Dulux.
Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while?
You say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back.
And guys, here is my Glam French Provincial living room makeover. I'm so happy with how it came. I always had such a vision for this room, guys, and I'm so excited how this came. The white wall certainly brightened up the space, and I truly love how I just shopped my own home when redecorating this room.
But I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I get stuck to care. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back.
Now, the only thing that I did purchase in this room that is new, guys, is my beautiful chandelier. Would you believe that I got this off Facebook Marketplace for just $40? It even came with the bulbs, which are worth like $8 each. So I was so excited when I found this on Facebook Marketplace, and I knew it would be the perfect addition in this room. A big shout out has to go to my amazing hubby. Guys, I could not do any of these big projects without him. He always helps me so much, and I so appreciate him and love him so much, because he really does sometimes not feel like doing these, guys. But he always comes on board, and at the end we are both so happy with the project. So a big shout out to hubby. Go give him some love in the comments, because he truly appreciates it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. Now listen, if you are loving blush pink in this video, you'll be certain to love my very next video. Make sure you tap your notification bell for next Sunday at 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time, because I have a beautiful blush pink makeover that I know my blush pink lovers will absolutely love. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again next week. Bye, guys.